Hi guys, if you look in the Monday folder in English, you will see that we are going to continue working on our persuasive essay. It looks like there are a lot of assignments, but there truly aren't. Most of them are either directions or resources that are going to help you write your essay this week. At the very top, we have the essay directions, which we have looked at over the past week. It gives you your timeline and exactly what we're going to be doing over the next 2 weeks. Underneath that, we have a couple of videos that are going to help you with brainstorming and planning your essay today. I do highly recommend that you look at those videos because they are going to help you better organize your thoughts. Underneath the videos is your actual assignment where it says brainstorming assignment. When you click on it, it looks like this. Today, you are going to look at the pros and cons of zoos. You are going to fill in the chart with reasons for zoos, reasons against zoos, and list those reasons at the bottom. After you do that, you are going to go through and just kind of jot down some ideas for your essay, including your introduction, what you might want to include in it. Paragraph 1 is going to be your first reason for or against zoos. Paragraph 2 is going to be your second reason. Paragraph 3 is your third reason that you give and give facts or evidence to support it. And then at the end, your conclusion paragraph. Well, in order to complete your assignment today, if you look back in Schoology, at the bottom, there are 2 folders that have articles against zoos as well as for zoos. So if you click in there, you'll pull up a lot of different articles. You're going to go through these articles and look for reasons that you can put into your brainstorming assignment. As I glance through the first article, I can see that it talks about how some zoos are only concerned with making money. Some zoos are responsible for deaths of animals because they could not adjust to the change in their habitat because they are moved from their natural habitat. And that disease is also a problem for many zoos. If I go to the next article, it talks about taking them again from their natural habitat. So if I go back to my assignment where it says cons, I can type in some zoos only want to make money. Animals are removed from their natural habitat. I can also talk about disease. And we can make that bigger if we need to so that you guys can see it. So those are reasons against, and I can continue to add things to that list. Then when I go back, when I'm ready to find reasons for zoos, I can go into the folder that says zoos are good. There are articles that talk about reasons why zoos are good. I can click on this one, for example. And it talks about how zoos can be used for research and development. This one talks about how scientists study animals to learn about how species live. We can talk about how some zoos help endangered animals. So then I can go back to my document. I can type in research and helping endangered animals. I noticed that couple of my words have red lines, so I'm going to right click under them so that I can make sure that I spell everything correctly. Notice how I do that. And then we're going to fill in all of these at the bottom. Then I'm going to go over to my introduction and my paper where I'm putting down evidence. And then I'm going to start thinking about, after I look at my list and I filled it out, maybe I may decide whether or not which one has more reasons, and that may be the one that I want to write about. But today, the only thing we're doing is brainstorming, filling out this chart, and submitting it into me so that I can take a look at which side of the argument you're on and make sure that you have your ideas and thoughts organized. Let me know if you have any questions.